A high-level crucial meeting of the YTF Central Committee was convened on Friday at the Manikya Court, drawing top leaders and district representatives to map out the party's upcoming electoral and social-political strategy. The primary objective of the convention was to review organizational readiness for the long-delayed VC election. YTF Central President and MDC Swaraj Debbarma provided details to the media regarding the meeting. The strategic meet saw the joint participations of all district presidents and vice presidents from across the state. Prominent leaders spearheading the deliberation included Swaraj Debbarma, YTF Central President and MDC, MDC Diom Thai, YTF Central in charge. MDCs in attendance were also Jiten Debbarma, Prasmi Debbarma, Sujoy Uchoy and Khatrojoy Riang. The primary objective of the convention was to review organizational readiness for the long-delayed VC elections. Leaders held extensive discussions on grassroots campaigning, candidate selection frameworks, and the mobilization of youth cadres to champion the core rights and constitutional demands of the indigenous population. A major highlight of the meeting was an official motion of thanks dedicated to Tripura founder Bubagra Pradit Kishore Manikya Debbarma.
Je sangsini Bubagra no belai no pipeline hamai maru ase kolo ni bising te sini BC election khajeng tongmani Supreme Court lorai khayei democracy wo tongai ganatantra kring mani bising te Bubagra ni chai tongmai tini BC election nani thangai tongmani kongno na sung tini sini joto sikla rok bai sini youth rok bai sungmano tini discussion khajaka o jagao tini tongo sini bisingo sini YTF ni in charge sini Sir Diom Thai totha honorable MDC tongo sini bisingo YTF ni general secretary borong gunang James Debbarma totha MDC tongo sini bisingo West ni district ni president borong gunang Jiten Debbarma totha sini honorable MDC tongo sini Khoi sini district president borong gunang Prasmi Debbarma totha honorable MDC tongo sini bisingo honorable MDC Sujoy Uchoy tongo sini honorable MDC sini Khatrojoy Riang omai khai joto sung tinara nangkungmani sini siklarok Bubagrani bisingtei bahai ke je nangkungmani sini je ottachar khayo tongmani je Tiprasa elakao BC election ing yangai kebangma infrastructure development ing yang tongmani je fund of block ing tongmani BC wo abron tino buskango lorai khayai sung democracy ni bisingtei sung fight khayai sini borono injustice ni justice nani bagai sung tini koksab lekha tai sini YTF ni naharmung sudu oro tini kebno MLA MDC EMs namai simi khayania Bubagrani bisingtei Tiprasa ni kabangma bulukuro gobno poitosa yang mano constitutional solution yakaba sini nangkung mani greater Tripura land mo sung Bubagrano yak follow goi yak subawoi bono logirewoi sung khai thangna ni mon tini sung smai tangna mi bijinti katal kai tai chini je tripartite agreement Tiprasa accord je blog ni tongmani omono bo sung until and unless je ko yasa Bubagrano without any failure sung nukha kabangma leadership ni bisingtei Bubagrano poitosa rok kabangma sungnungman yagulo YTF ni bisingtei sungabo turuk khai tabu grassroots level tebo sini borono kubui nangkukmani o hawo tamo sungamno runani sungtai saimanani abno tino YTF ron kaisa message suji para kami amchayo je sini Bubagra salbunumurum nini ani bagai wan sugui je samung khai tongmani samungno Bubagra no logiroi samung khai nai tini YTF ro obonti koksablai.
Resolving to convert this legal victory into an absolute mandate on the ground, the YTF leadership directed all district units to instantly launch a micro-level public outreach campaigns across all constituencies. Bureau report, Chini Khorang.